20 medical transcription jobs at home with their yearly salaries today. Let's explore 20 medical transcription jobs with their yearly salaries. I'll tell you a little story with each one to help you understand what the job is like. Let's begin. And number 18 of the job ideas is very important, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. General Medical Transcriptionist. Sarah types up notes from doctors and clinics. She listens to voice recordings and turns them into reports. The yearly salary General Medical Transcriptionist is $35,000. 2. Radiology Transcriptionist. John works with X-ray and MRI reports. He knows a lot of special terms from radiology. The yearly salary of Radiology Transcriptionist is $38,000. 3. Pathology Transcriptionist. Asha types up lab results and autopsy reports. She must be very accurate. The yearly salary of Pathology Transcriptionist is $40,000. 4. Surgery Transcriptionist. Alex listens to surgery recordings and writes detailed reports. The yearly salary of Surgery Transcriptionist is $42,000. 5. Cardiology Transcriptionist. Emma works on heart-related reports. She hears terms like ECG and angiogram. The yearly salary of Cardiology Transcriptionist is $41,000. 6. Neurology Transcriptionist. Sam types reports for brain and nerve patients. He works closely with neurologists. The yearly salary of Neurology Transcriptionist is $43. 7. Pediatric Transcriptionist. Lily types notes for child patients. It's soft work, but important. The yearly salary of Pediatric Transcriptionist is $37,000. 8. Oncology Transcriptionist. Daniel helps with cancer reports. He types chemotherapy notes. The yearly salary of Oncology Transcriptionist $45,000. 9. Psychiatry Transcriptionist. Anna types therapy session notes. She keeps everything private and safe. The yearly salary of Psychiatry Transcriptionist is $39,000. 10. Dermatology Transcriptionist. Jake works on reports about skin problems and treatments. The yearly salary of Dermatology Transcriptionist is $36,000. 11. Dental Transcriptionist. Maya types dental clinic notes. Fillings, braces, cleanings, you name it. The yearly salary of Dental Transcriptionist is $34,000. 12. Ophthalmology Transcriptionist. Liam types eye reports. He works with optometrists. The yearly salary of Ophthalmology Transcriptionist is $38,000. 13. Medical Scribe Live. Zara listens and types in real time while doctors see patients. The yearly salary of Medical Scribe is $46,000. 14. Legal Medical Transcriptionist. Tom works on reports used in court. Accuracy is super important. The yearly salary of Legal Medical Transcriptionist is $50,000. 15. Veterinary Transcriptionist. Ella types reports for animal clinics, dogs, cats, even horses. The yearly salary of $33,000. 16. Remote Transcription Editor. Ryan checks and fixes transcription work from AI tools. The yearly salary of Remote Transcription Editor is $48,000. 17. QA Analyst. Transcription. Tina reviews and scores transcription quality. She trains new people too. The yearly salary of Tina $52,000. 18. Medical Records Reviewer. Nina checks the final files before they go to hospitals. The yearly salary of Medical Records Reviewer is $55,000. 19. Transcription Project Manager. Mark leads a team of transcriptionists. He manages schedules and files. The yearly salary of Transcription Project Manager is $60,000. 20. Freelance Medical Transcriptionist. You can be your own boss. Jane takes work online and chooses her hours. The yearly salary of Freelance Medical Transcriptionist range from $30,000 to $70,000. So friends, as you can see, there are many ways to start a career in medical transcription. Pick the one that suits you best and start typing your way to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple job tips.